welcome to Cruise Day Fun. My name is Joy, and this is my husband, Dan.
Hey! So today we're going to talk about how to afford a cruise, how to save for a cruise. What's that?
Piggy bank!
She's been waiting to talk about and show her piggy bank since our first video. That is one way to do it. Set aside some money in your piggy bank or under your mattress. We don't want to know. But the most important thing, I think, to consider is a budget. You don't want to go on a cruise, come back from that high of sailing the seas and having a great time to find out you have no money in the bank to pay your rent.
Oh, that's no good.
That's right.
So you want to always plan early.
Plan early. Have a budget. Plan early. That gives you more time to pay for your cruise. Paying over time, I think, is one of the best ways to budget and still get to go on a cruise. What we like to do typically, though, is to just pay down our cruise at our own pace. We keep in mind the deadline because there's always a deadline where your final payment's due, typically 90 to 120 days before the cruise, and we put down the deposit and gradually pay for it over time up until that final payment date. So, for example, we have 3 cruises booked currently. A couple of them are coming up in just a few months, so we already paid the deposit and we paid all the rest of the payments due on them, before the final payment due date.
Yay!
That 3rd cruise is still about a year away, so we've only paid the deposit and we're going to start paying month by month, according to what our household budget will allow. So that's where time is on your side by planning ahead.
Remember, there's always special offers and you can always get on in email lists.
That's right. The cruise lines are more than happy to take your email address and send you out notices, of each week or each month of when they have a special sale. And that way you can be in the know and get the offer that is best for your budget. Another option is, while you're still on a cruise, is to go to the next cruise desk and book a cruise. So that gives you the pleasure of getting off of that cruise while you're thinking about a cruise you've booked coming up and saving money on it.
Nice.
One thing to keep in mind, while you'll get a special offer and you'll save some money, that deposit that you have to put down on the cruise can be lost if you don't use it. There's always a deadline to use it by, so be sure you really are sure you're going to go on that cruise line, again, the same cruise line, in that time that they're giving you.
And you can always talk to a travel agent too.
Yeah. Travel agents can be a huge help, especially if you've never booked a cruise before. They can help you find the best savings, the best deals for you, and the best cruise experiences, the best cruise ships and cruise lines for your particular taste. So be sure to comment down below on any other ideas you have on how to afford a cruise, how to save for a cruise, and what you thought about what we had to say.
And remember to subscribe, and thank you for watching.
Yeah, thanks. We appreciate it.
Bye.